First of all, if you just look back, this is now the fifth year of deploying 5G globally. This is still a young technology, and we know that this is a technology that has been designed to serve many use cases. It's beyond mobile broadband, and as you said, both for consumer and as well as for enterprises. So what we've been doing, and we are extremely proud of our position in the market by deploying 60% of the global 5G networks. And we have been doing that by both enabling the ecosystem, deploying low band, mid band, high bands with high performance, by deploying SA to enable different use cases, and to really kind of create the infrastructure. So we believe that as of today, we are in a very strong position where the infrastructure is ready for enterprise and consumer applications to be deployed on top. So what are we going to do going forward is indeed start working on the applications and the use cases, because it's definitely, we believe that it's a time to scale these deployments going forward. What are we trying to do, as I said, to really create the infrastructure, and it's important that we continue deploying 5G mid-bands to outdoors, because it is essential to get the performance needed for all these different use cases. But as we also know that the 80% of the time we actually spend our time in indoors. Clearly, outdoor, the indoor kind of 5G connectivity needs to improve. So we actually see that the high-performing 5G connectivity become an extremely critical infrastructure, not only for industry, but also for consumer applications. In the new portfolio that we are coming up, we are bringing high-performing multi-operator IRUs to be able to for big venues. We are coming up with more plug-and-play small factor solutions that is easier for medium and small size enterprises. But on top of it, we are actually coming with an industry-leading, the first time, a software solution to provide accurate positioning. And this is super important for asset tracking for enterprises. And this is coming with sub-1 meter accuracy, and it will be available across all our indoor portfolio, which is quite exciting. Of course, 5G, I mean, this is a mobile technology, and this is, but we see that is more than a mobile technology that's just for kind of making the communication service better. We see that is really a very important infrastructure. It's both for kind of bring a complete big paradigm shift in terms of the communication, but also in society in general. And when we look at the society benefits of 5G, we are not only seeing as kind of bringing the connectivity to everyone, which is definitely our prime kind of vision, but we also see 5G applications that is going beyond for benefits for making easier to access healthcare, making easier for education in different parts of the world. It's important for digitalization and economic growth, and is also very important sustainability. And maybe I would like to build on top on sustainability. I mean, of course, we want 5G to be used for really bringing more value to the CSPs to be able to deploy, handle the traffic growth, bringing high performance connectivity, and being able to offer opportunities for monetization. But we want to do all these things while consuming less power consumption. The second wave of 5G will be all about monetization. It's all about using this beautiful and competent infrastructure that we have created. And this infrastructure needs to handle this growing traffic demand, which will be there. It's going 30 to 40% year over year. So we need to handle that. And to be able to handle that again with a more sustainable way, we are actually coming with strong portfolio, where while we are introducing 5G in new sites, we will be able to bring 10 times more capacity, at the same time reducing more than 30% of the energy consumption. I studied telecommunication engineering in bachelor. There was 100 people in the class, and we were only 6 girls. It's definitely not a very popular area as a girl, but I believe it's changing. So for me, I think we need to first, as women, and I think overall our industry need to motivate women to come to this industry, because it is not just kind of just technology that is for men. It is very cool. It's very interesting because we are actually touching the lives of others. So I think for me, in my mind, is the first step is really motivating all the young girls that is trying to find what to do in their career and to really motivate ICT sector and telecommunication sector in general. And then it's coming to my position right now in a company, a global company like Ericsson. Of course, I'm super happy and proud to be the one that is leading quite important product area. Kind of more example to all the young women out there that we can make an influence and we can make an impact as women in an ICT sector.